what we are challenging is our Younique 3D lash mascara, fiber lash mascara, and we are going to be putting it to the test to some falsies. I know it looks like I'm missing one there. Oh, that's nice. My coffee was sitting on top of it. That's probably not good. Okay, we'll use the other one. This is not going good so far. Okay, so I already did this eye with some of this, but I thought, you know what? I did 2 coats. I'm gonna put on a third just to show you guys. Basically, all I've done so far is I curled it and then I just put on the coats. And all you do is you curl it, then you put on some of our gel, which is the big tube, and then you're gonna take the shorter tube, which is the fibers, and brush on the fibers there. Honestly, you can do as many coats as you want of this stuff, and then take the fibers again, and then once it dries, what I'm gonna do is just brush it out. So in case there's any clumps, you can get rid of them, which makes it nice. So that's it. That's all I do for my 3D lash mascara. You can see there a good shot, okay? They're nice, they're bold. I really like this stuff, that's why I like it. It's nice and quick. Now, what I'm putting to the test, and may I add, I have tried this once before, so wish me luck, guys, because I don't know what to expect. I'm a little nervous, actually very nervous, to be honest with you. Is this. This is the lashes that we are using. It is called the Ardell Glamour, and it contains 1 pair of lashes, and then I picked up this duo. This is the packaging that the lashes came with. So I'm gonna attempt this, and I use the word attempt very loosely because I don't know. I know what I know, and that's about it. So, okay, so I got that on. I'm gonna start with this. So I took off my lashes, and what I'm gonna do now is take this, which I found is very like liquidy, and I only need a little bit. So, okay, here we go. My second time doing this. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Ah! Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oh gosh, it's clumping. Okay, we're okay. Oh, this is so messy. Oh my gosh. I don't need that much. Oh my, okay, look at this. No. This is what I mean. This is not gonna go well for me. Okay, so I got that. It says to wait 30 seconds, so we're gonna wait a couple seconds, and then I'm gonna stick this on this eye. You can see there my Younique lashes, my real fiber lash mascara, I should say. And if you want to check out that, you can just go to faceitbeauty.ca and go under eyes, and you can see it there. Now I'm gonna put this to the test. Okay, I did get some clumpies on it, so we're gonna make it work. I really don't know how you're supposed to put these things on, so if I'm doing this wrong, oops. Ah, no. Oh my gosh, okay. Is there a trick to this? Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I got it. Look at all of that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna say this is way less messy than what this is. This is a hot mess. Oh my gosh. I sure hope like this stuff doesn't like hurt your eyes or something, because this looks ridiculous on me. Okay, it feels cold. It's drying right now. First opinion, okay, while this is drying, I'm gonna brush this out. And I'm gonna use to brush it out. Okay, here we go. We have Younique has a lash combo brow brush, okay? And what I'm gonna do is take this side, and I'm just gonna brush out my lashes. See, there's just a couple of clumpies, which is totally fine. And, oh my gosh, the glue's like, oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. This is so messy. So I'm gonna say, less mess, quicker. Well, I shouldn't say quicker. I'm sure like if you get the hang of like false eyelashes, I guess that it would be like, that it would be quick, but like it's messy, guys. Like look at that. I mean, just the difference alone. And like this, you have like, you use 2 tubes, and this is like this plus wherever the lashes are. Oh my gosh, this is like a hot mess moment, just warning. Okay, so I guess it's like you just wait for it to dry. First of all, okay, so here's my opinion. I don't know if maybe it's just this, but this stuff sucks. Like, I got it all over my eyes. I don't like it. I'm sure there has to be some better stuff out there for this. Not a fan of it. It feels heavy, and it feels like I have something literally sticking to my eye, and I do have something sticking to my eye, let's be honest. I'm not that dumb. But, like, it just feels like it's weighted. Like, it feels like like that. The stuff on there isn't drying really nicely. Oh, I got some more on there. Oh, it's like clumpy. Ooh. So yeah, I know with this, to take it off, I know this stuff, I just take it off in the shower. I just take a cloth and take it off. It doesn't come off if you just like, if you're out in the rain, your face isn't going to be running, but if you scrub it, this stuff will come off. This, I did try, and I found with taking it off, you have to like rip it off, and I'm just worried it's going to rip my eyelashes off. So we go falsies compared to this. I'm all over Younique. If you guys want to check this out, just go to faceitbeauty.ca. If you have thought about looking at it at the business, you can feel free to contact me by email. All my information will be down below. But definitely, guys, this is where I'm going with these for sure. This wins for sure. Not even a question. This feels horrible. It feels like I have gunk on my eye. Alright guys, we will catch you later in another video, and don't forget, reach out if you need anything, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!